the question for milling is will be something like this. So here, as they have shown, there is a octagon of 150 diameter. Okay. Then there is a pocket of rectangle pocket of 120 and 50. Then there is four holes. Each hole has a diameter of 30 mm, and one hole is from origin it is at a distance of 25 and 50. So now first thing you have to make the 3D model of this sketch. Then you have to define the stock. Then from the stock you have to do all the machinings to get this part. Okay, so you go to Mastercam. Okay, click new. So it will like this. Now for sketching you need axis, so you click on axis F9, so you will get the axis. Now you have to draw this sketch. So what you have to do is, first you have to draw a octagon of 150 diameter. So you click on here, there will be a polygon. Then for octagon it is of 8. Okay, and it has given a diameter of 150, but here it is radius, so that is 150 divided by 2. Okay, so you click here, so it will automatically come like this, comes like this. Okay. So this is our octagon. Now we have to do this rectangle, which is the pocket. So it is of 120 and 50. So I will go here and create rectangle. I click here, but what happens? It is diagonal, so you have to make it a center. So you click here, anchor to center. Click here, so it automatically comes like this. Click here, so you have to give this length as 120 and this as 50. 120 and 50. Okay, so you have made the rectangle. Now you have to draw these 4 circles. So one circle you will draw, this is of 30 diameter and it is at a distance 25 and 50. So it is here, it is here. Okay, so you click circle, it will be here, so you give the dimensions minus 25 and minus 50. Okay, minus 25 minus 50 0, so it automatically the point will come there. So you click make a circle. Now they have given a diameter of 30, so here the diameter, the place of diameter you give 20 and plus enter. So you will get the first circle. Now you have to make 4 circles, 3 circles more. So you go to X form, you click on rectangular array, so it will ask the select entity to translate. So this is your circle. Now you go here, this is N selection. Then it will ask you the distance. So here it is I think, yeah, it is 50. So you give 50 here, then it will come like this. Now here you have to give this distance, that is 100. So you have to give 100. So oh, sorry, this is 90 and this is 100. Okay, so you click OK. So you generated the 2D sketch. Now you have to generate the 3D from this 2D sketch. So you go to solid, you click extrude, you click here, so it will go like this. Now you click OK. So it is showing direction, so you go to isometric view, so you can see that maybe it is upside, then you have to click it and make it downside. So the distance they have given is 50, so here you give 50. Okay, then you click OK. So you have made this. Okay. Now go to top view, you have to make the pocket, so you solid extrude this. Okay, you have to cut body at a distance which is given here, that is 10. So you have to click here and click 10, and you have to, direction is, you make sure that the direction is upside down. Click OK, then it will make a here. Now the last thing is you have to make a properties. So let's extrude this. You click OK, then you cut body, you give dimension here, after you click extend through all, click OK. Then you can see here it is completely सॉरी इट इज दो आ गया बट टू नॉट केम, इतना डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. Okay, now you have to make the hole. So what you have to do is, so let's extrude this. Okay, then click OK, and you have to check the dimensions, directions. So everything is upside. So you click on each circle to make it downside. Then you cut body, extend to all. Click OK, and it will create a solid like this. So our solid modeling is done. Now you have to go to toolpath. You have to take a machine. I'm taking molding machine. So click default. So it will come here. So you click on property, stock. So it will come. So in bounding box, it will automatically come. Click OK. So these are the dimensions. Now you give extra 10 for everything because our stock needs to be a margin. So 160, 60. Now here we have given the extra 10. So you have to give here 10. Okay. So as you can see here, the stock will be like this. Now this extra 10 we will remove by facing. Okay. So now click on top view. Okay. This view. Now you click toolpath facing. Okay, you give some name. Okay, you select this, click OK. So it will open the window. So here facing is selected already. You select the tool, go to library, you select any animal. Okay, 24. Okay, so we have selected an animal. Folder, there is nothing to do. Cutting parameters, you have to style, you have to change to zigzag. Now stop to live, you have to make it 0. Okay. Now depth of cut. Depth of cut, you can give the maximum depth of cut as 1 or 2. Finish cuts, you can give 2. Finish tab 0.5. Linking parameter, you click on here. Absolute, absolute. Top of the stock is where, because z axis we have done the top of stock is 10 mm, okay, and depth is 0. Okay, then click OK. So as you can see here, it has made this just a facing. So these are the rough cuts, these are the finishing cuts. Okay, so this is done. Now you can hide this by here. Now you have to make this contour. So toolpath, contour, same operation. Okay, contour tool you have to decide. So you go to library, you take a single 20 cut. Okay, now further there is nothing to do. Cutting parameters, you give, make sure that this compensation direction is left. Make sure that compensation direction is left. Okay, now stop leave on the walls is 0. Okay, depth of cut you give 2, then 3, sorry 2, then this is point. Reading here there is nothing. Breakthrough needed because we have to do some extra. Okay, so you give 0.5. Multi-passes is also required, so give number of rough cuts 4, spacing you give 2, then number of finishing cuts 2.5. Okay, tabs it's okay. Linking parameter, you take everything absolute. Okay, top of stock facing we have removed 10 mm facing, it is again 0. Depth you can give directly from here. Okay, that is -10. Okay, so sorry, that is not -10, that is this -1. Okay, so to make the toolpath, so your toolpath is done. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so you have to go top toolpath, pocketing, this thing. Okay, perfect. Tool, you have to select the tool. So 10 mm. Okay, holder, cut parameter, compensation, there is no compensation required. So okay, 0 0, roughing, parallel spiral, finishing, 2 passes, which is of 0.5. Okay, lead in thing, depth of cut, you give 2, 2 and 5. Depth of cut. Breakthrough, depth of cut 2. Okay, breakthrough not required, linking parameter, everything required, absolute, top of the stock is 0 and depth is -10. Like this, now the last thing is you have to make the holes. So toolpath, drill, this, toolpath, drill, this, this, this. Okay, so drill tool, it is 30 mm diameter, the diameter is 30 mm. So here you have to give 30 mm drill. Okay, now holder, it is nothing, cutting parameter. Okay, linking parameter, you have to give depth, top of the stock is 0, depth is till here, -50. Okay, -50. Tip compensation is required because you have to cut it throughout all. So 0.25 we have given. Okay, so everything done. So what you have to do is click on everything. Okay, so you click on this, it will show you video. This is spacing. Now this is quantity.
So like one lens for interviewing specifically.